right, bring her in slow. Watch the mud
Scraping hard against the ramp.
I know, just keep steady now, almost cleared the mud.
Looks good, keep the tension.
Keep it coming slow. It's really digging. Coming straight back, nice and slow. All right, hold it.
Now,
I am, it's stuck on the rust.
I got some slack, keep going.
Buffer beam clearance again.
It's tight, but it's clear. Middle.
6 inches, nice and slow. Okay, hold. On that front chain.
Solid, we're good to roll.
We made sure the straps were double checked at the yard.
Good. All right, clear that chain from the front D-ring now. Bring her down another 2 feet. Watch the clearance on.
The desert recovery is complete. Now the real work begins.
And we start with the high pressure wash on the sides.
T2, make sure the...
The firebox structure shows significant deterioration. Here, it needs more filler.
Yeah, the pitting was deep. Make sure the contour.
85% fill on the first pass. The surface is completely...